Hey guys, how are you doing? We're back again. We're Natalia and Agustin. It's been so long since we last talked to you guys. We've been in Argentina, back and forth, coming back to the US. We're actually in Philly. It's really cool. If you've never heard of this place, you should check it out, definitely. It's called Philadelphia Tango School. And they have a really cool festival by the end of May. It's every year, Memorial Weekend Day.
From the 24th to the 27th of May.
2 more weeks.
2 more weeks.
Amazing. Just check it out. Just check it out. Get it on Facebook. Check some pictures. It would blow your mind. So many people say we should step first with the
Point, fingers.
Point.
Yeah, I don't know.
The front part of the shoe. And then with the heel. Some other people say just project with the first part, but then you step with the heel. Some other people say no, just go flat. The other just walk normally. So what shall we do? So many options, you know, on just how to put this.
Just only one fit. What to do with one fit?
How should I do it with this thing? Jeez. Anyway. So basically you have like 2 factors that can change the quality of your step. First, which we believe is the most beautiful part, is the sound quality. When you can link the sound quality to your quality of stepping, glorific. We're gonna use the attack and how the sound stays in time. So if the attack is 1 instead of there's a different thing you have to do with your foot to match that quality. If it's a you have to step completely flat. Yes, that's how it's gonna work. I have a heavier sound, I have a sharper attack, and I have a more staccato kind of movement attached to my motion. Otherwise, this would sound whoa. Did you hear that? Things are gonna get softer than if I go flat. It's not gonna fit. Use that type of softening when the music gets softer. I cannot land flat. It's too rough, it's too abrupt, it's too sharp, it's too staccato, and the song it has an increscendo of the sound, like, and you have a delay there at the end. It stays in the time, so your step has to match somehow that quality. Another last thing, when you have something like sounds that continue in time, or let's say legatos sounds that the sounds are stick together, you can actually make the steppings linked to the next step. So you're all the time migrating into the 2 steps, into your 2 foots, and you're never stopping and starting again, not making a break, because the song is 1, 1, 1. So for now, try to match these 2 ways of stepping. Stepping flat, completely vertical, with a vertical energy, or stepping with a kind of a horizontal energy, trying to go somewhere else, show the continuity of our steps. So we use either the heels or the toes, or somehow to make the landing take longer than just a puff, like a plane crash, puff.
Yeah.
If the song is stretched, we land the plane. Yeah. If the song is sharp, like a boom, boom. Okay guys, have fun. You have 2 different qualities. One goes for milonguero, one goes for salon. You have different type of music. Try with 9 de Julio de Alienzo, try with what we use.
Vamos of Di Sarli.
2 ways of stepping, 2 different type of music, and quality involves linking those 2. We love it. Yes. And have fun, enjoy, go get together with some friends and try it out.
Just try it and see what's happening, what you feel in your body.
Exactly, have fun. This is how we do it, this is the things we pay attention. I hope you enjoy it, and we see you sometime next week.
See you next time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.